Alright guys, you made it to lesson 4.4, and yes, we're still doing area, okay? But I thought with this one, I'll just kind of go over a few problems, nothing new, and just kind of, make sure you guys are doing okay, we're still doing area. Okay, let's start with number 9. I've only selected 3, I swear, okay? Number 9, I want the area of this shape. If you notice, it's a circle cut in half, alright? So it's a semicircle, but we're still talking area. So looking at your formula sheet, which I hope you got, write down the area for a circle, which is r squared times 3.14. Alright, all you gotta do is plug in the radius. They were nice to us. The radius is 17 feet right here. So I got 17 squared times 3.14. Alright, again, we're doing area. 17 squared, make sure you don't double that. You know it's 17 times 17, right? Which should be 289. All right, 17 times 17. Yeah, guess what? You guys were right. 289. And then I'm going to multiply that by 3.14. All right, 289 times 3.14. And you get a grand total of 907.46. But look, you didn't want a whole circle. You wanted half a circle, so you're going to have to take that and divide by 2. So I'll divide by 2. And your final answer is going to be 453, all right, 0.73. We're doing area. Go back, it's in feet, and you put feet squared. All right, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. If you're not having fun, you're normal, because we just computed the area. But hey, look, if you wanted to change the color of this and paint it blue, now you know how much paint you need, okay? All right, take a moment. I have 2 more, I promise, and that is it, okay? All right, so let me find you another one that I thought might cause a little bit of stress. All right, stay with me. Yes, it's a word problem. So I figure let's try one like number 17. This is on page 3. Alright, it says find the diameter of a circle with an area of 380.13. Let me turn this fan off. That fan's making that paper dance. Did you see that? Woohoo! Alright, hold on. I'll bring it back. Okay, here we go. All right, so find the diameter of a circle with an area of 380.13. All right, it said area of the circle. First thing you're going to do is write the area formula of a circle. Area of a circle, radius squared times 3.14. All right, what was the area? 380.13. It looks like the paper is breathing. All right, we plugged in the area because they gave it to us. We plugged in pi because we know pi is 3.14. We're trying to find this variable first. So now we're going to go back to Algebra 1 because you know everything goes back to Algebra 1. And I'm going to solve for r. Okay, take out my trusty calculator, old calculator, 380.13. Remember you type that in first, divided by 3.14. And I get a grand total of 121 and some change. So I'm just going to leave it as 121 equals radius squared. Does anyone out there remember how to undo a variable to the second power? Wait, what's that? Oh, yeah, square root. So I'm going to do square root here, and 11 equals the radius. Now, don't do it, Mr. Mac. I get hyper and I'm all excited. I have the number. I think I'm done. But remember it said find, the diameter. So if the radius is 11, I'm going to take and double the radius. So 2 times 11 for my answer of 22. Also, don't put meters squared, because that's for area. You're just going to put meters. Okay, talk to me about number 17. And stop breathing. You see how it's breathing there for a little bit? All right, I got one more for you. I know you're glad when I'm done. This one's kind of cool though. This one's on page 6. I like the way they did this one. Let's try number 11 on page 6. did you go, number 11? Okay, here it is. I know, it always takes me about an hour to find the problem when I have that baby supersized. But here we go, here we go. So, number 11 on page 6, a little bit different. Because if you notice, it really is pizza, pizza. What? Okay, so we want to find the area of these two slices. We don't want the area of the whole circle. You know, though, radius squared times 3.14 is going to be part of it, you know, because that formula is for the area of the whole circle, okay? And then if you forgot the formula, it's 2 slices of pizza, which a slice of pizza is called a sector. You're going to use the x out of 360 times the area formula, okay? Couple things. See the 46 degrees? If the central angle is 46, so is the pizza crust, or the arc, 46 degrees. Wait, it gets more fun than that. And we gotta go way back to August, September. Remember, these are vertical angles, so if this is 46, this is 46, then this is also 46. So you're finding 2 slices, 2 sectors that have 46 degrees of the whole 360. So what you're going to do a little bit differently is we're just going to double that. We're just going to go 46 plus 46, which gives us 92. You want 92 degrees out of the whole 360. Pretty slick, huh? All right, the radius, hopefully they gave it to us. It says h to g is 7 centimeters. Here's h to g, that's a 7. So I put 7 squared. And don't forget your friend pi. All right, I just think this is the easiest way to do it. Let's just go ahead and divide that and get a decimal, and you can think of it in terms of percent. So I want 92 degrees divided by 360. I'm going to round that to 0.26. So we want 26% of the whole area of the circle. This is a 49, and then this is 3.14. And then all we're going to do is multiply, multiply, multiply. So 0.26 times your 49 times your 3.14 for your grand total of 40. Oh, that's bizarre. It actually came out to 40.0036, but we'll leave it as 40. That's fine with me. Go back to the centimeters and centimeters squared. Guys, I hope this week has been helpful, all right? Please take it easy, all right? And we will see you soon. Bye.